Okay, I hear that many are facing this problem. Like when you are running extract future part, that it is showing error pre-processing data. Make sure your data was pre-processed. But when you go and check up in pre-processed data, it shows success. So like install to Google Drive also success, and pre-processed data also success. And I didn't keep any space between the folder. Everything looks perfect. But when I'm just running extract future, I'm getting this error. Even if you run 2 3 times, how many times you run, even how many times you rerun, you will just get the same problem. So to fix this problem, what you have to do is you just need to press this one. You need to insert a code cell. Just move it little up. You move it up, so it will go here. So here you just add this code. You just put pip install numpy equal to 1.23.5, and you run this code. Well, this error is basically happening because a different version of NumPy package is installed. If it shows any error message like this, you can just ignore it and it will not affect anything. So just ignore it and we can go for the next step. So once this is done, now done extract feature, and it will work fine. Now it is extracting. Yeah, see, now it start to extract. So now this code will work fine. Okay, we just need to add this one piece of code and it will work fine. And also save this file. I mean, save this. Now just press Ctrl S and save this file, because when you are running next time, you need to run in this way. You need to run install to Google first. Then after running pre-processing data, you need to run this pip install part. After that, you need to done. We need to run this extract feature. If you are running without this part of code, then again it will show an error. So each time when you are running from now on, each time when you are running this file, you need to run this line of code before extract feature, then it will not show any error.